Konnichiwa, my name is Kaori Nagao, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. Today I have a very special guest, Roy Padilla from Flagstar Bank, and he will be sharing with us some very exciting lending program for medical professionals here in Las Vegas and Henderson. How are you, Roy, today?
I'm doing great, thank you. Yeah,
Good
thanks
to
for
see
having
you.
me. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So tell us about this program.
No, it's a fantastic program. So we have a great opportunity for healthcare professionals here in the Las Vegas market. We do allow physicians, dentists, and nurses to participate in this program. So it's a great opportunity. We allow zero down payment, up to $1 million loan amount with no PMI. And PMI is very expensive on $1 million loans. So this is a fantastic opportunity for them to save a lot of money.
Absolutely. And for those that don't know, what does PMI stand for?
It stands for private mortgage insurance. So it's essentially the insurance you pay to protect the bank.
And for $1 million, what is it usually the cost?
Oh boy, that can be anywhere between $600 to $800 a month.
Okay.
It's huge.
Yeah, so obviously additional $600 to $800 a month is a lot for a lot of people.
Huge savings.
So if we could avoid that, that's great.
Absolutely. So other things and benefits with the program is our clients can actually close 60 days prior to their job start date. All they need is their fully executed employment contract.
Well, that's fantastic. I actually have a client right now who's looking for a relocation and trying to look for a home, whether they buy or rent. And they weren't sure which way to go because they weren't sure if you needed additional documentation, or if they had to start their position in order to qualify. But what you're telling us is that they'll be able to qualify.
Yes.
As long as you have the employment letter, they'll be able to borrow money before they start the position.
Yeah, all they need is simply their fully executed employment contract, and we can close 60 days prior to their start date so they can move into their house and assimilate into their community very comfortably.
That is fantastic, Roy.
Yeah.
Any other things we need to know about this program?
Well, we do offer great rates and terms. We have a very simple pre-approval process, so you can contact me anytime. It's very easy from start to finish. Our real value proposition in this program is providing white glove service, concierge type service to our healthcare professionals. They really deserve it, and that's why we've carved out this special program for them.
That's fantastic. Any other requirements that we should know about? Any credit scores or any other background?
Yeah, I would say credit scores, we're looking generally at 680 to 700, that type of range. They don't need to have a 780 or 800 type credit score. 680 again to 700. I think, again, when we're looking at the program overall and we're putting it really comparatively to other programs, a lot of physicians are like, why will I go zero down? I have 20% down already. Well, in this current market, as things have evolved and shifted, many people are wanting to keep the liquidity on hand. So when we're really looking at a strategy overall, putting a zero down payment loan side by side with the standard type of loan really makes sense today.
Absolutely. And the market has shifted, hasn't it?
Yeah,
Roy?
totally shifted.
Yeah. What are you experiencing?
You know what? We're seeing a little bit of a slowdown overall, but we're still seeing very brisk sales here in this market.
Who's your target for this program specifically?
Well, I mean, that's a lot of people out there, Kaori. So typically we're looking again at physicians. That means any real doctor. Even resident physicians are allowed. So if somebody's just moved to Vegas and they're doing their 3-year residency program, you are eligible to participate in this program. Even a tenured physician up to 10 years practicing out in the field can qualify and participate in our program. And as I mentioned before, nurses are brand new to us. We just recently allowed nurses to participate, so we're super excited about that. We often get asked by healthcare companies and hospitals, what can you do for our nurses? So now we've got this fantastic zero down opportunity for nurses as well. So if any of you have any questions or would like to speak one-on-one with Kaori and I, we're looking at doing some homebuyer lunch and learn. So we welcome you to contact us to get scheduled with us.
Absolutely. And lunch and learns are so great. It's an opportunity for us to come into the office, talk to your employees and your team about the special program. And again, Roy, thank you so much for sharing with me and my audience about this program.
Sure.
We'd love to take care of all of our medical professionals here in Las Vegas and Henderson, especially with what we went through in the last few years. Right, Roy?
Oh, yeah.
So again, thank you guys for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure you like, subscribe, and engage with me. I'll have Roy's information in the description below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you.